Hey everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. Are you struggling to make eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube videos? Tired of spending hours designing? Well, AI tools are here to save the day. In this video, I will explore one of the best AI-powered thumbnail generators that can help you to make click-worthy, engaging thumbnails, fast, no design skills required. As a YouTube content creator, we know thumbnails are one of the most important parts of your video. Think about it, your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, right? So it needs to stand out. A well-designed thumbnails boost click-through rates. We can understand the click-through rates and can make a huge difference in getting your video noticed. And if you are a beginner, you are creating your YouTube contents or Facebook contents or TikTok. So maybe you are wanted to hire someone else who can create your thumbnails. And sometimes it's expensive. As a student, you don't have enough money to spend like hiring someone that can help you to create eye-catching thumbnails. Also, you don't have enough computer or software. So what's the solution? In this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can generate awesome thumbnails, and it's free, guys. And don't worry about your bank balance, okay? So before jumping into the video, if you're first time watching this channel, so don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to watch the other videos. I make different AI videos, tools and tips and tricks, and also how you can make money online. Okay, so let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to use a tools called ideogram. Okay, so you can search one online, ideogram.ai. You will see the website, and the very simple website. You can just log in with your Gmail account. So this is my free account, guys. Already I made this thumbnail. It's really amazing. Make money online 2025. So look at the impression. It's really amazing. I'm 100% sure I can make this kind of impressions. Okay, also using a Canva or Photoshop or other tutorials, okay, or other tools, guys. It's really amazing. It's completely AI designed. So I will show you how you can create this kind of images as well. Also, you will get pre-generated different kind of thumbnails or images. Okay, also you can use this. It's really great, guys. Okay, so let's see this one. Also, you will find the other three images as well. You can copy this prompt over here. Also, you can use the magic prompt, guys. It's really funny and it's really amazing, guys. Okay, also you can download. So it's already generated, guys. Okay, because people are also using this and they are generated, and it's all stored over there. And this one hour ago, Daigo, the person, I don't know who is he or she, they created these images. Okay, so you can create these images. All right, guys, so it's time to generate our images. That's mean our thumbnail. And the most important, you will see the image ratio. That's mean most of the time you will see the different ratios, like YouTube thumbnail or Instagram or any TikTok or other social media platform. But we are looking for a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you have to understand what is prompt and how we can generate. So I've already showed many videos how we can generate prompts. Story, guys. Okay, and I'm going to copy the first prompt. A person is walking through a forest. When they come across a hidden door, they open the door and find themselves in a magical world. So let's copy the prompt and go back to the ideogram, and you will see the right section, magic prompt 1, and the aspect ratio, which is really important. So as we are creating YouTube thumbnails, so make sure it is 16:9 ratio. You clicked. Okay, and if you want to create 1:1 for Instagram or Facebook, you can. Also for TikTok or short video. Okay, for this images it will charge 2 credits. Okay, let's see the final results. So let's click on generate. Alright, guys, here you can see the wait list. That's mean wait time is 113.12 seconds. Okay, and 46% complete, and you will get the 4 results. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, so it's 90% complete, 99% complete, and generation complete. So finally done. So this is the result, guys. So I will show you one by one, and you can get your project and you can get your images. Okay, so this one, guys, this is the first one. If you look at the our prompt section, a person is walking through a forest. When they came across a hidden door, they open the door and find themselves in a magical world. This is the person, and this is the jungle view, guys. And when they find the door, and it's a hidden and magical world. And the another one, it's really amazing, guys. Okay, and the third one and the fourth one. So I think the first one is really amazing. Let's back and how we can create this kind of image or footage. Okay, so once you click on the images, and you will see the prompt section. Okay, that I already use. Okay, just copy this and let's back the ideogram and paste it here. And if you want to change, you can change anything. And I just changed how to invest as a student in 2025. In the board section, the laptop shows the text. Okay, so let's generate. Don't worry to see this kind of images, guys. It will changes. Okay, and finally the image has been changed. Okay, so let's open the image, this one, and here you can see the text that already changed. How to invest as a student in 2025. You can use this kind of images as a thumbnail. And this one, oh my god, it's a great expression. I think this one is really great. So how we can download these images? All right, and the another one is click on three dot and you will see the download. It's a JPG 70% quality. If you want to get 100% quality images, you have to upgrade. Don't worry, just click on 70%. So if you zoom out, here you can see, okay, it's okay for now. It's perfect. Okay, and also if you want to upscale this image, you can use this kind of tools. Just select your image and it will upscale your image is a premium quality. Okay, and let's select the upscale. So your image have been upscaled, so download the upscaled image. Alright guys, this is the upscaled image. You will see the differences. Okay, this is pretty simple, guys. Okay, so this is how you can generate your YouTube thumbnails. This is the one of the easiest way you can generate. So don't waste your time, just use these tools and don't waste your money. So you don't have to spend money to create eye-catching thumbnail. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video helpful, and that's it. Give them a try and let us know which one works best for you in the comment below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more tips on using AI to level up your YouTube game. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.